Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both phones so the transfer runs smoothly. Plug them in or charge above 50% and connect to the same, stable Wi-Fi network. On your old Samsung, enable any requested permissions like Bluetooth and location. On the new device, install Samsung Smart Switch if it's not pre-installed. Once done, choose your connection method, wireless quick share or wired USB-C. Tap Smart Switch on both devices and select Send Data on the old phone to initiate the handshake and start the transfer setup. Now you pick what to move and why. Prioritize contacts, messages, photos, and app data so your essential workflows resume immediately. On the Smart Switch screen, tap each category to inspect contents. Deselect anything unnecessary to save time. If you have many GB of media, use the USB-C cable for speed and reliability. Otherwise, wireless will work fine. Keep both phones unlocked and on screen, monitor the progress bar, and make sure neither enters sleep mode. This ensures files copy intact and apps reinstall properly. Finish by verifying the move. Open contacts, photos, messages, and the apps you rely on to confirm data integrity. You'll often need to re-sign into accounts and grant app permissions. Do that now so background syncing resumes. Once satisfied, remove the cable and reboot the new phone for final system updates. If something goes wrong, try a direct wired transfer, clear Smart Switch cache, and reboot both devices. If failures persist, export critical data, contacts as vCard, and repeat the transfer in smaller batches to isolate problematic files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.